Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Toyota, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on my mom's car right now. This is a 2017 Toyota RAV4. So right now I'm just upgrading the headlight to LED. So I just took one out already. So this one is the original OEM. It says this one is 9012 right there. That's the headlight bulb. This one I bought on Amazon. That's the brand right there. And this is the 9012 right there. That's the bulb number. And I just put one in already. And this is the LED in the back. It has a fan right here. It says 9012 right there. Now I'm gonna show you guys. So I took this one out already. I put the LED in. So it's right here. Very easy, very simple. Same thing on this side. Right here. Very easy, very simple. Now I'm gonna turn on the light for you guys to see. So this one's gonna be LED. This one's gonna be OEM, the yellow. It's a lot brighter with the LED. I'm gonna show you with the light on. Now I have the headlight on. You can see the yellow bulb on this side. It's not as strong as the LED. You guys can see it's not that bright, but look at the LED. A lot brighter. Much better right there. You guys can see the LED side. It's a lot brighter. There you go. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to remove it and put in the bulb. It's pretty easy. You just twist it left to loosen it out. And I'm gonna do a night test drive. Not night test drive, but at nighttime I'm gonna turn on the headlight. I'm gonna have one side LED, one side yellow, so you guys can see the comparison. It's a lot better. I can see so much better. Now this bulb, I got it for, I believe it was 50 bucks or 60 bucks on Amazon. Pretty good deal, pretty good rating. The LED, it fits just like the OEM. Everything is the same. The LED is a lot bigger, but I'm gonna show you guys. It's pretty simple. So this is the headlight. So you're gonna press on this tab, pull down, and then you're gonna twist it left right there and remove it just like that. It goes back in just like OEM. Twist it right to lock it. Put the connector back. There you go. Let me show you from the inside view. The left side is the LED. This side is the yellow bulb. You can see it's a lot brighter. And you can see it spreads a lot more wider. Now, this one, I believe is 65K. And then the yellow one on this side. At night, it looks kind of brighter. But you guys can see the side on this side, much brighter. Now I moved the car back a little bit. You guys can see the left side LED, it's a lot wider, and the one on the yellow side is very narrow. Now let me try to take it out on the test drive to see if there's a big difference. You guys can see I didn't even have to take it out on the test drive. I just moved it out to the street. You guys can see the LED, it's a lot brighter. And this is the yellow side. Let me try to drive a little bit so you guys can see. There you go. Better view. You guys can see this side, the right side, is a lot darker. Left side is a lot brighter. I took the right side out. I'm gonna put it back in. Put the LED in right there. Put it in and lock it. There you go. Pretty easy, simple. There you you go. That should be tight. Now I got both sides in already, showing you from the inside view. You guys can see they're very even. Look at the line, pretty bright. That's 65K right there. Very bright. I love it. Very nice, very nice. Now my mom won't complain no more. So that's it to this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.